So there's been a bit of an incident. I'm not entirely sure why now of all times, but I guess we got a big gust. The car was right there at the time. I checked it, it was fine. A moment later, I found the tent over here. So, I don't know. Well, the car I don't think was damaged, at least in any noticeable way above what it already is. The Datsun specifically, and I'm okay, but most of the stuff in the tent was kind of destroyed by either the rain or just the wind. But yeah. So will I be doing anything this summer? I don't know, maybe not.